Welcome to Beau Maths. Be it begrudged student, teacher, math enthusiast, board scroller, or mildly intrigued individual looking to start their math journey, this channel is for you.
Wow, Beau Maths, you're so clever, making this 100th video a nice summary of the channel.
That's right, Vape Memes 2020, 100 videos. That's a lot of math. The goal of Beau Maths is to provide an in-depth journey throughout the world of math. Starting from a basic level, we cover not only the curriculum that's taught in schools, but also really take our time making sure to make as many stops along the way to explore weird and exotic math topics, non-standard perspectives to expand the story of math, and a diverse range of real applications to the wonderful world around us. And this is all done in the most effective way I know how.
Even more effective than in person?
Well, maybe not more effective than real life classes, but as far as YouTube video goes, it'll be effective. We cover everything in a curriculum-based style, meaning that you can start from square one and work your way through all the videos. And did I mention practice? There is oodles of it.
I hate you and that word.
Most videos have a corresponding exercise video to them for optimal practice. But that's just the tip of the iceberg for how to use Beau Maths. The Prerequisite Chart. The Prerequisite Chart is a big spreadsheet containing all the episodes made to date. Here you can easily find topics you are searching for, and then once you've found it, just click the corresponding link to start learning. As the name Prerequisite Chart suggests, each video also has their prerequisites listed below. Everything in math is connected, with one thing building up on several other topics. So if you're confused on a topic, it may be because you need to go back and brush up on some of the prerequisite concepts. The chart is meant to streamline this process. The chart is also useful if you're trying to do some curriculum planning yourself and want to follow the Beau Maths curriculum for parts.
That's the Beau Maths difference.
You can find the prerequisite chart linked in the description of every lecture video for your convenience. The Glossary of Terms. Half the difficulty with learning math is all the new terms that get introduced and used. It can really sound like a different language the higher level you go. So even if you have the prerequisites for a topic, if you aren't fluent with these terms, it can still be difficult to understand. This is where the Glossary of Terms comes in. It's a big alphabetized list of all the terms we've introduced thus far. Each term contains a definition, an example, as well as a link to the video the term was first introduced in. Some terms will also come with an additional note for your information.
Is that also in the description?
It can be found in the description of every video. Very good, Vape Memes 2020. Exercise videos. I think exercise videos should be pretty self-explanatory. They help you practice the topic.
Obviously.
But I do want to emphasize something with the exercise videos.
Do not flake on the exercise videos.
While you may feel comfortable with the material presented in the lecture video, the exercise videos often take it to the next level and cover much more difficult questions, and sometimes even extend the topic itself. Have you ever heard people complain that, "Oh, the test questions were so much harder than what we went over in class. I hate my teacher." Well, the exercise videos prepare you for questions much harder than what we go over in class. Additionally, in the exercise videos, I frequently give opportunity for you to make up your own practice questions for additional practice. These are even easier to write off and skip them than the practice video. However, I think that they're deeply beneficial for two reasons. One, obviously you can get more practice out of it, and two, making up questions lets you interact with the math in a different way than what you're used to, which is going to strengthen your understanding of it overall. Taking notes. This advice doesn't just apply to my videos, but I think to educational videos in general. Unless you're just getting a little bit of review in, it's important to be engaging with the content and not just sitting there watching a video. We've all been there where we watch an educational video and it makes sense, but then we forget it completely within a couple of days. Notes help mitigate this issue. Notes also serve as a good reference where you can flip back to an idea with ease.
Are you done yet?
Don't you worry your pretty misshapen little head, Vape Memes 2020. That's everything for today. You know, a significant portion of people who do well at math claim to actually thoroughly enjoy the topic. So if you do your due diligence and put in the effort, you too can come to be a math lover if you aren't already. And as they say, if you can't beat them, join them. I hope this video has effectively demonstrated the various resources Beau Maths has to offer you in your math journey. I look forward to seeing you in my videos, but until then, have a good one, stay groovy, and I'll see you in the next video.
Can I get my money now?
Say the words.
Fine. Subscribe for more hardcore math.
There you go, champ. You earned it.
Oh boy. Oh boy. I'm gonna win big this time.
Beau Maths.